Thinking about whether to pay for a premium service can be a tough decision. Is Betterment Premium worth it? The answer, as with most things in finance, is it depends entirely on you. Let's break down Betterment's two main offerings, the digital and premium plans. The digital plan is what most people think of when they hear robo-advisor. You get automated portfolio management, tax loss harvesting, and all of Betterment's fantastic goal-setting tools for a super low annual fee of 0.25%. It's a great deal for hands-off investors who are just getting started or those who simply don't need a lot of personalized guidance. But if you're a high-net-worth individual, someone with more complex financial needs, or you just want the peace of mind that comes with talking to a professional, that's where Betterment Premium comes in. For a 0.65% annual fee, you get everything from the digital plan, plus unlimited access to a team of certified financial planners. We're talking about in-depth, one-on-one advice on everything from your investments to your retirement and even estate planning. They'll help you with your entire financial picture, not just your Betterment account. This kind of personalized, holistic advice is the key differentiator. To qualify for premium, you'll need at least $100,000 in your Betterment accounts. Now, a 0.65% fee might sound steep compared to the 0.25% digital fee, but you have to compare it to the cost of a traditional, in-person financial advisor, which can be 1% or more of your assets. So, is it worth it? The value of Betterment Premium is in the human connection. It's for the investor who has reached a level of complexity where automated tools aren't enough. If your financial life is straightforward, the digital plan is likely perfect for you. But if you have questions about a 401k rollover, want a professional opinion on your retirement strategy, or need help with a complicated financial goal, the human expertise offered by Betterment Premium can be invaluable. It's a bridge between the convenience of a robo-advisor and the comprehensive service of a traditional financial planner. You just have to decide if your financial life is complex enough to justify crossing it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.